my going away party, and I'm having the gayest night ever. I don't need to go be gay right now. After hours bar in a blizzard.
I know. Because
not unreasonable at all.
No. Look at that pretty Christmas tree. We're making it right here. Should we just go up the hill for fun?
No.
Jesus Christ, you idiot! Turn left.
This is Fifth Avenue.
What the fuck is wrong with
Going to
you?
CMU.
Okay. I thought we were dropping Leanne off at home.
No, she's going to CMU to get the keys.
Oh.
You have to pay attention. Look at these nice people.
Oh my God! Because it snows,
it's like a zombie movie. I hate this. It's weird.
Get the fuck out of the road!
Well, because the sidewalks aren't clean.
I don't give a shit. Because it snows does not make it a crosswalk.
Okay. Look at
suckers! Go! Go!
Chad, you're in a rare mood.
You gotta keep momentum. You gotta run the light. You gotta run the light. You gotta run the light.
He's dickmatized. He's ready for Adam.
There's a very sensible Honda thing there.
I'm just saying, don't get stuck because we're talking a lot of shit as we drive by.
I know. We have this lovely, we have a very nice German automobile with, you know, what was that?
With defiant tires, apparently.
This car is magic. Look at this beautiful
Question
trees.
is, do you actually think that after hours is
you might
open?
want to run this light.
We have no idea. We may have
It's turning yellow. Right. Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep
easily
be. Go! Go!
You need dick, Chad. Apparently.
Dick. Hi, my name.
Do you
See
need
those
dick
suckers
sweat?
walking in the middle of the street? You can run them over.
It's the zombie movie. This is a fucking zombie movie.
Do you know the best part about all
See,
of this?
I told you.
Oh my God.
Do you want to know the best part of all of this?
What?
I'm capturing it all on video.
No way!
Beautiful.
God, she's videotaping
I
us.
know she is. Why are you turning?
Bitches, because we're going to see you. Okay, ready?
Go.
And its capability.
I can do
Go.
I'm gonna
Go.
Do you want me to
Right.
do
Go!
a
Wait,
donut?
keep momentum.
You see the car over there? It's like
Jesus.
spinning.
I'm not. I'm driving slow.
Another zombie.
No, you're doing a good
Leanne's
job.
Get a
request,
gun.
Okay.
Hey,
like a one-man shooter.
fucker, get out of the road.
Oh, look at that one. The other one down.
But
Bitch
you know
is
what?
down.
Out of the road!
Oh my God! Chad, you're outrageous.
Bitch is down.
Are
Bitch
you
is down.
are you filming this, Leanne?
Yes.
Oh my God!
She's filming our
Look at these nice people.
road
I had half these
safety
people as students.
seminar.
Okay, am I left?
This is how
You're
to-
going right.
Right. Oh, we're going to the building.
Jesus.
Oh, look, they're pushing their stupid ass.
Oh, ha ha ha, suckers!
No turn around.
That's
Okay.
why you run the light.
I turned on red.
And Mark's like, oh, let's go to after hours.
Yeah, keep momentum. You gotta keep momentum.
I'm driving
At
very
all
reasonably.
times,
okay?
huh,
I'm
Popo?
very reasonable driving.
Keep going, keep going. Keep momentum.
I still think it's...
Should I gun it?
No, don't gun it. You just gotta keep momentum.
Okay, well,
Well, it looks like...
using
What is...
Why are you turning
Wait,
left?
is that a...
We're gonna make a left here.
We're gonna go pick up
Into
keys.
the museum.
There's a tree
No,
that
we're-
fell down, but the angle looked like
We're picking up Arthur's keys.
But
the fur.
But
I'm just
Melting
suggesting that you might have been signaling a little.
Look at these pretty trees.
so pretty. They are beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Woohoo!
Yes, I will still talk. Hi.
I love my car. This shit
It's a
goes
good car.
anywhere. It's a good car. Okay.
Pretty architecture.
Let's
Pretty
swing around that way.
For the money you were thinking about.
Well, here's the thing: is that